Hello.
Hey bro, the bike is ready.
Awesome. I'll come.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the new vlog. Right. Alright guys, so आज मुझे मौका मिल रहा है फाइनली. मैं अकेला हूँ इसलिए मास्क हटा रहा हूँ. By now you already know which bike I am riding today. I know कि ये बाइक 3 महीने पहले आ चुकी है और बहुत सारे वीडियोस आ चुके हैं अभी YouTube के ऊपर. बट क्या कर सकते हैं कि मैं घर गया था, घर से वापस आया और फिर इसके बाद में देन आई वेंट टू कन्याकुमारी. टाइगर पे गया था मैं कन्याकुमारी से वापस हैदराबाद आने के बाद में अच्छे व्लॉग्स बनाए मैंने, अपलोड किए. आप ज़रूर देखिएगा, आपको बहुत अच्छे लगेंगे. और फिर इसके बाद में फाइनली आने के बाद में मुझे आज मौका मिल रहा है TVS Apache RTR. इट हैज़ गॉट लॉट ऑफ फीचर्स. इट्स अ यूनिक बाइक इन इटसेल्फ. सो जल्दी जाते हैं और चला के मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस आपके साथ में शेयर करता हूँ. ओके, सो फाइनली TVS Apache RTR 204V. I'm getting a chance to ride this bike. This is BS6. It is a dual channel ABS. So you get two variants. One is a single channel ABS and a dual channel ABS. And the price difference between both the variant is 5,000 rupees. We'll talk about all the features of this bike while we are riding. Okay, seat is comfortable, not too hard, not too soft. The mirrors are looking functional and the dash is very clean. Let's hear the exhaust note first. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is how it sounds. Cool. There's a lot of information on the instrument console. I'll talk about this and all details. Same orientation of the gears. So first gear is too short, you need to change the gears. So it is a 5-speed transmission. So let's start with the engine. Engine is 197.9 cc engine, close to 198 cc, and it produces 20.8 PS of power and 17 Newton meters of torque. And the seat height is very manageable, 800 mm, and the ground clearance is really good, 180 mm of ground clearance. So headlight and the brake light both are LED, and the turn indicators are halogen, and you get the DRL kind of a thing in the front, that is also LED. And the fuel tank capacity is 12 liters, which is okay because this gets a mileage approximately 35 in the city and 40 on the highway, depending on the way you ride. So first let's talk about the things that I actually look for in any bike is the operations: clutch operation, gear shifting, acceleration and braking. These are some of the things I always look for in any street bike or any bike for that matter. And in this bike I feel the acceleration is quite smooth, very smooth. I'm at 102, 105, 108, 110, 15. There is a breaker, so I have to actually calm down. Very light bike, yeah. 152 kilos. It's very light. So let's see how is the brake. 1, 2, 3. Great. Very good brakes. The brakes are amazing, yeah. Braking is really good in this bike, so dual channel ABS really works. Riding triangle is very comfortable, but if you are 6 feet or above, probably you might find an issue. I'm getting a lot of wind on my shoulder though. This is really good, yeah. And let's see the suspension, because I have heard a lot that there is an adjustable suspension. My god, at this price point and at this range, the front suspension is adjustable for preload. You can either choose a hard setting or soft setting. Well, the rear monoshock is not. Suspension is from Showa. So let's talk about the instrument console. Okay, so this is a mode button. and this is a setting. So with mode you navigate through the point where you want to go, and with setting mode you adjust accordingly. So when I press this, look at this. This is a trip meter and trip A and B, and this is your lap time. So very handy information if you want to take it to the rest track. This is the highest speed, clock, fuel gauge, tachometer. Here is a turn indicators, low fuel warning. This is the engine malfunction lights. Here if you press this, then you get the rain mode, urban and sports. In sports mode all 20.8 PS power is available, and in rain and urban you get 3.5 PS less. Torque is almost same, I would say. Rain and urban thoda sa kam hota hai, approximately 0.5, but that's not noticeable. What else? Instrument cluster sunlight में लेके जाते हैं. हाँ, in the brightest sunlight also, वहाँ से आ रही है sunlight direct इस पे. Still I can read it very comfortably, every information. So illumination is really good. The layout and everything is quite simple, no problem whatsoever. Great thing is that these levers are adjustable in 3 position, 1 2 3, based on your finger length you can adjust it. The fuel is very less here. Okay, the brakes, both are disc brake. Front disc is 270 and rear is 240. So the brakes therefore are really amazing. Now let's talk about the 5 features that are first in the segment. Number 1 is a dual channel ABS with the rear wheel lift protection. I think that's what the TVS call. And the next is front suspension is adjustable for 2 setting, hard and soft from Showa. And the next is slipper clutch. I think this is the first time slipper clutch in this segment. Yeah, commendable. Let's check if we can do that. Now I'm in the 4th gear. Let's try without clutch. Ah, very nice, very nice. Let's go. Downshift karte hain. Let's check. 3rd. Oh, 2nd. So slipper clutch is really working, guys. थोड़ा सा jerky है, but काम कर रहा है. glide through technology. So what does it do? कि आप जब ट्रैफिक में हैं, for example, and you are in the 1st or 2nd gear, you need to accelerate along with leaving the clutch, releasing the clutch and accelerate. That's the typical function. But in glide through technology, you don't need to accelerate. You just release the clutch slowly and bike will move. Let's try it here. Okay, we are in neutral. Okay, I will not accelerate. Let's try. Move तो हो रही है. Okay, move हो गया. Very good. Will it stall? 2nd gear. नहीं, बंद नहीं हो रही है. Really good यार. Look at this. Wow, very good. So it makes your life easy in the traffic. Very nice. So these were the 5 first in segment features. Alright, now let's talk about the SmartX Connect. So in the SmartX Connect, it's all actually lies there in this instrument console. So first thing is the race telemetry, that you can see the lap time, navigation system, SMS call alert, crash alert. There are sensors, I think, which detect bikes fall, and the emergency contact which you have fed in the app, the TVS app. So the system will dial into that in few seconds. There is a specific number that is there. Only problem I have is I am getting a lot of wind blast from these panels. ये gaps जो हैं, यहाँ से काफ़ी wind blast chest पे आ रहा है. हेलमेट पे ठीक है, इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, but on my chest it is very high, and I feel that this bike will not be that comfortable for anybody who is very tall. 6 feet and above will find it little cramped. Otherwise it is a good bike, a fun bike. And now we'll check the brakes again. I see the speed breakers ahead of me. Let's check. Woo! 107 पे हूँ मैं गाइस. Now 1 2 3. The distance was it stops in less than 50 meters. Very good brakes. Very good brakes, guys. I really liked it.
A few moments later.
ओके सॉरी गाइस टू इंटरप्ट द व्लॉग लाइक दिस. अब क्या हुआ कि ये जो बड़ी बड़ी बाइक्स रहती हैं इनको चलाना पड़ता है. सो मैं कह रहा था कि इसी बाइक्स को क्या चलाते रहना पड़ता है, नहीं तो बहुत बड़ा खर्चा आ जाता है. और बाइक ओवरऑल मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. और जो स्मार्ट एक्स कनेक्ट है इसमें बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं, जैसे कि आपको कॉल एंड SMS अलर्ट. सो उसके लिए आपको लेकिन TVS की ऐप डाउनलोड करनी पड़ेगी अपनी मोबाइल में, और आपका इमरजेंसी कॉन्टैक्ट रीड करना होगा. उसके बाद में आप स्मार्ट एक्स कनेक्ट का नेविगेशन फीचर यूज़ कर सकते हैं. आपको लो फ्यूल इंडिकेटर्स, मतलब कि अगर आपकी बाइक में लो फ्यूल है तो अगर आप इन्फो बटन दबाएंगे तो आपको नियरेस्ट पेट्रोल बंक तक बाइक नेविगेट करके ले जाएगी. सो इट हैज़ गॉट लॉट ऑफ फीचर्स. सो ओवरऑल मुझे तो बाइक बहुत अच्छी लगी. आप बताइए आपको बाइक कैसी लगी, और अगर आपका कुछ क्वेश्चन है तो मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा एंड आई विल ट्राई टू आंसर दैट क्वेश्चन. और इसका ऑन रोड प्राइस जो है वो है 1,62,000 to 63,000 ड्यूल चैनल ABS का. एंड फॉर सिंगल चैनल ABS यू विल हैव टू पे 5,000 लेस. और इसमें आपको 3 कलर ऑप्शन मिलते हैं. एक है वाइट, रेड एंड ब्लू. फॉर ब्लू you need to pay 1,000 rupees extra. Overall, my first ride experience of TVS Apache RTR 200 4V is amazing. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give it a like, share it with your friend and subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and ride hard. Bye bye.